side. On this side here, it's got 8 magnets. 8 magnets on the outer edge. Got 4-cylinder injectors up here. These injectors, what they do, they will come in here and they will lock and unlock like a ballpoint pen. That gives the downstroke on this. These magnets have to be set at a pitch. It took me a long time to get all the dimensions which would make it operate. It's got a crankshaft in here. You can extend this, like they say, you can extend the motor out. And you can put as many cylinders around it that you want that you can get on it. What I'm going to do, there's a 110 light bulb up here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook everything to this motor. And it will run it all at once. Now this is a 110 generator on the left-hand side of this motor. It comes in, produces electricity into this 12-volt battery charger down here. The 12-volt battery charger comes back up into the little starter, a little electric start car motor here. And before I do this, I've got to put a little drop of oil in this because I've got aluminum injectors in it. The other injectors I had, I got it up about 500 RPMs and they exploded. So I had to go back and build them out of aluminum. I'm just doing this for safety, keeping them golden on it. It gives us a little bit of protection on it where it won't gall up on it right now, because all the other motors all these other motors, when they're built in out of precision, they will really sing. And just, you got to understand, this is just a prototype, and I mean it's all it is. It's made out of wood, aluminum, and brass, and stainless steel. You ready? Ready? The only way I'm going to have to get this motor started, I've got to come with both hands, get it rolling this way. I've got to come on the left-hand side. I've got to crank this RPM up where I can start seeing juice come out of it, where we can hook this in to get it up into its RPMs. All right, I'm going to get it going. It's a miracle motor. And I'm glad I'm a part of this whole pollution-free of the world, where it can change around and we won't have to have this gasoline to make so much pollution in the air and the ozone. But it's like I said, it's really a unique motor. I just wished I could sit here and run it for you for 2 or 3 hours. But like I said, this motor is just a prototype, and it's just it's really going to give me a thrill to see the first precision machine made. Any questions or anything, I'll answer it for you, and if I can't answer it, maybe my son can give you some fill-in on the motor. And just like I said, I really think for y'all to come down here and see this motor, because it's a magnetic motor, and if it had 4 more cylinders here, 4 cylinders over here, and it's a precision machine, you'd see something sing like a jet. What do y'all think about it?
It's great.
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 Would that power a small car this size?
This thing here will produce enough electricity to charge an electric car up. The batteries in an electric car can drive from here to California non-stop. You don't have to go to a motel and sleep 4 hours where your car's charging up. You can just keep on going. If you pull into a garage, it will still charge your batteries up 24 hours a day. And the good thing about it is you can hook this to anything in your garage. Like if you have a power filter or something like that, you can hook it up. You run some lights in your home. And when its precision's made, it will run your home.
Will there be smaller versions of it?
You can convert this down to a smaller. Well, take an example. Back in 1950, they had a big old TV. The screen was this big. Nowadays, what they got, you can see a TV on your wrist. And that's what I like about this. This can be bigger you build it, better it is, smaller it is. You can put it into an electric car and power electric car. Is there any more questions that you'd like to? Yes, Tom.
What's going to happen when the oil companies buy the patents on everything?
I didn't hear what you said, Tom.
What's going to happen when the oil companies buy the patent, and so we'll never be able to use it?
Well, they won't buy this motor because they will have to lease it. I will not see this put on the shelf.